our breakfast.
Last day na namin dito sa Borobudur. Ang saya dito guys kasi para siyang probinsya. Ang peaceful niya, ang tahimik. Ang saya lang. Parang nasa bahay talaga. At nakakatuwa yung mga kapitbahay namin. Eh, si tatay. Grabe, ang bait nila guys. If 2, 5,
Bukag isa tayo, ma'am, para makwenta.
Ay, how much is this big?
This is 10,000.
10,000, yeah. This one, 5,000.
This is
3.
80,000.
3.
If 2, 15,000.
8,000. May, instead na 16, 15.
15,000.
Kami guys, mas mura dito sa Maher na mga souvenirs kaysa dun sa Borobudur Temple. Imagine ito, 15 kyaw lang dito. Doon, 25. Todo tawad na yun.
Every time I count, I close, I put like that, my hand, because your money too many zero.
So many zero.
Yeah.
And then, punta na kami sa Chicken Church. Ito yung grab pin nila. Akala ko mga 30 minutes lang kami sa Chicken Church. Pero umabot kami ng 2 hours. Grabe, pinaghintay pa namin si Kuya. So, ginawa na namin siyang car service para siya na rin mag-atid sa amin papunta sa Yogyakarta. Tapos, mag-jeep pa kayo papunta sa Chicken Church. Pwede naman kayo mamili kung maglalakad kayo or mag-jeep.
Ang taas! Mahulog tayo.
Gusto mo pa mag-trekking?
Magdasakay na lang tayo. Paakit nga pala kami.
Kung iti-trek natin to, 15 minutes.
So, kung maglalakad pala kami, hindi
Ay,
maganda.
ito na yung entrance.
Bayad naman.
Yes,
Yes.
payment for 2 entrance ticket and car ticket, so 80,000.
80,000.
Yes, ma'am. I will take a photo, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain about this ticket first.
Yes. I will. Yan.
Your chin.
Oh, matik. Matik ka lang.
This one, your entrance ticket is included with traditional food. You can change it at the restaurant up there. Fried cassava. And this one, ticket for the shuttle for coming back. And later, if you want to come back, you can confirm with stuff on the souvenir shop up there. Later, yeah, and later they will help you to call the driver to pick you up.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Terima kasih. Sama-sama. Tinalan, di pa tayo nakapag-lunch.
Oh. May libreng fruits na naman kami. Hindi pala nakabidyo. Ano ba yan?
Going up na. Tara nata.
Wow, libre na yan. Papaya. Yan yung libre natin. Papaya, baru motong. Papaya ata. Manis, papaya din.
Baka masira.
Mapabiyaga pa mo dyan. Mangga, laren yan. Mangga din sa kanila. Laren. Wow.
Libre ba? Ayan na yung chicken church.
Ayan, oh.
Ay! Sabi ka sa chicken eh.
Feathers puff strut down the road. Tiny beak, a secret code. Waddle left.
Ato. Pinto masuk means entry. Tour. Good morning.
Untuk berapa tiket ang pembelian ini?
Okay.
Untuk 2?
2.
For 2 tickets. Okay.
And actually from the ticket you also get tour facility that will get you from the first floor up to the second floor. So you can follow my friends over there.
Okay,
As a
there's a tour
guide.
guide. Thank you. Terima kasih.
We also have some discount if you want lunch. This is a chicken grill.
Okay. There's a discount na. Ayan o, pwede pala tayo mag-lunch na dito oh. From 48, ano na lang siya, 38.
Terima kasih. Thank you.
Terima kasih. Salamat.
In Philippines, selamat.
Salamat.
Selamat is thank you.
Yeah.
Selamat is thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, selamat.
Salamat.
Welcome to Bukit Rema.
Hmm.
It's not chicken church, but it is a house of prayer for all nations and all religions.
Ay, Including Catholic.
Catholic, Christians,
Muslim also. Oh.
yeah, we are in the first floor. For your information, this place is consists of 7 floors.
7.
Yeah. This subject is success shape a dove or pigeon is not chicken.
Oh, sabi ko sa'yo is pigeon.
But it look like chicken.
And the top is same about a chicken.
And then the mouth is hollow.
And after that, we can go to the gallery room and pray room for our religions. And the name place is Bukit Rema or Rema Hills.
Rema
Rema
Hills.
Hills. Go down and write your best hopes in this world.
Oh.
Yeah, you can write your best hopes in this world.
You're right. Or later.
Later.
Later, okay.
And we are in the second floor. And this is to action if you exchange your ticket with traditional snack food in our restaurant. Strike and turn right in the tail part of this building. Or you wanna go up first in the crown area, 7th floor.
Yeah, it's ground.
We are in the body of pigeon.
Yeah, the body now. It's the hills. Mga bundok. Oh, kita din eh.
The second floor is for
Chickens groove in the morning light. Oh, that chicken, she's a vibe. In the coop, she runs the tribe. Clucking tunes, catchy and sweet. Dancing moves with those little feet.
we are in the crown area, 7th floor. But sorry that I just accompany you up to here. Yeah, you can go up by yourself.
Thank you. Salamat. Third floor na.
Scratch the ground like a little star.
Pati sa simbahan may trekking.
Grace never falls far.
Ito yung view. Asan?
Ayun, mabre mo to.
There! Ako na. Ayun, yung maliit na yan. Yan. That one is Borobudur Temple.
You can go up to the ground
Oo nga.
and this be
Kasya ba tayo dyan?
just go up one by one and you can pull off your head because the white mommy
Wow, ang daming birds. Wow. We're here in the crown.
Nanginginig ka na.
Nanginginig ka talaga.
Ikaw chicken ka, pinapit mo ko sa... Ano tayo niya mag-picture mo?
Hindi ko in-expect na ganito to. Kala ko simbahan lang. Hindi ka rin pala mapagsimba, no? Kasi hindi siya simbahan talaga. At 3 to 5 minutes lang kayo pwede dito sa taas. Tsaka konti lang ang allowed kasi nga maliit lang yung space. Ganda, no? Ay, ang hangin pa. Woo! At si ate. Takot na takot. One more. Guys, super liit ng space, oh. Buti nga kasya kami. Ayan, dito naman kami sa second floor. Kami mag-restaurant. Oh. Dito tayo. Wow, maganda ng dito na namin dito. Dito kami magla-lunch. Ito ba yan? Is this the one? The free one? Aha. Terima kasih.
One minute.
Ano una yung Maga Sticker Rice? This is Maga Sticker Rice. Dapat dessert ko eh. Ito na ang food namin.
Hey guys, let's eat.
Kain ka. Chicken to na. Parang adobo.
Masarap siya, ma'am. Parang inasal.
May maanghang.
Kaya nga. Ang anghang.
Tapos may ganyan kang view. Ang ganda ng view namin, no guys? Ito pinaka-favorite kong part sa pagpunta namin dito sa Bukit Rema. Pero guys, meron pa pala mas magandang view rito. Nasa 3rd floor, di namin alam. We're going back.
Time to say goodbye.
Ayan na siya.
Our day was
Thank you for watching all the way through. I'm your travel genie and hope your travel wish will come true.
under the sun. Good